Fourth planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system, situated between Earth and Jupiter. Red planet. Mars is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Similar day length. A day on Mars, called a sol, is approximately 24.6 Earth hours, making it quite similar in length to an Earth day. Different year length. A year on Mars is nearly 687 Earth days, which is about 1.88 Earth years. Thin atmosphere. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide, about 95%, with trace amounts of nitrogen and argon. No liquid water. While Mars has water ice at its polar caps and underground, it lacks significant bodies of liquid water on its surface due to the low atmospheric pressure. Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system, located on Mars. It stands about 69,840, 1 feet, 21 feet, 21.287 kilometers, tall, almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Valles Marineris. Valles Marineris is a vast canyon system on Mars, stretching over 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, in length and up to 7 miles, in depth. 2 small moons. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are irregularly shaped and believed to be captured asteroids. Frozen water. Mars has significant water ice in the form of polar ice caps and frozen water beneath the surface. Global dust storms. Mars experiences global dust storms, which can obscure the planet's surface for months and affect spacecraft operations. Mars rovers. NASA's rovers, such as Curiosity and Perseverance, have been exploring Mars, conducting experiments and searching for signs of past or present life. Martian calendar. The Martian calendar is divided into 24 months, with month names based on Roman and Norse mythology. Methane mystery. Methane has been detected in Mars's atmosphere, and its source is still a subject of scientific investigation, with potential implications for microbial life. Extreme temperatures. Mars experiences extreme temperature variations, with daytime temperatures reaching up to 70 def, 20 dec, near the equator, and dropping to 195 def, 125 def, 125 def, at night. Thin air. The Martian atmosphere is so thin that it cannot support human life without life support systems. It has only about 1% of Earth's atmospheric pressure. NASA's Viking landers. The Viking 1 and Viking 2 landers, launched by NASA in the 1970s, were the first spacecraft to successfully land on Mars and conduct experiments. Seasonal changes. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth due to its axial tilt, but they are nearly twice as long due to its longer year. No magnetic field. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a global magnetic field, which has implications for its thin atmosphere and exposure to solar and cosmic radiation. Potential for life. Mars is considered one of the most likely places to search for microbial life beyond Earth, particularly in subsurface environments. Water channels. There are ancient river valleys and channels on Mars, suggesting the planet once had flowing water on its surface. Martian mountains. Aside from Olympus Mons, Mars has a number of other impressive mountains, including the Tharsis Montes and Elysium Mons. Diverse landscapes. Mars has diverse landscapes, from vast plains to rugged highlands and deep canyons. Mars Sample Return. Future missions aim to collect and return Martian soil and rock samples to Earth for more detailed analysis. Future human missions. NASA and other space agencies are actively planning future crewed missions to Mars, with the goal of sending astronauts to explore and potentially settle on the planet. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.